Greetings YouTube, Sega Zombie here, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Now, this arrived today from Amazon. What can it be? Let's just see where we're going to open it here. And you've guessed it, guys. And just move this cardboard out of the way. It's the C64 Mini. Now, I pre-ordered this way back in October last year. Was really excited. I did used to have a Commodore 64 collection, but as my Amstrad collection got bigger and bigger, I decided to move it on and just focus on the Amstrad. But I've been really itching and really looking forward to see what the C64 Mini is like. So let's take it out of the bag. It's a nice presentation box, this. Seems really good quality. What have we got on the side here? The C64 Mini computer, the C64 joystick with 1.5 meter cable. Ooh, that doesn't seem very long. HDMI cable 1.2 meters, a USB power supply cable 1.2 meters, 64 games pre-installed. I do like that touch. 64 games. In the instruction manual, keyboard is non-functional, virtual keyboard features included, AC adapter not included. The use of this mini home computer requires the following device: not supplied, a TV or monitor with an HDMI port, a 5V A1 output ACD adapter with USB port. So that's to cut down costs, I take it. It's a bit of a shame that it doesn't have an adapter in there. Right on this other end, what have we got? High definition output at 720 via HDMI, pixel perfect display with US Europe display modes and CRT filter options, save game function, 2 USB ports, plug in a USB keyboard and use as a home computer with C64 basic, or add a second joystick for 2-player games. Support software updates via USB flash drive. And then it's got the manual, home computer menus, and they're the languages that's in. And then on the back here, we've got the games. Armalite, Boulder Dash, California Games, Creatures, Robin of the Hood, Paradroid, Nodes of Yod, Nebulous, Impossible Mission 2, Speedball 2, Spin Dizzy, Uridium Water game, and it shows the basic there. And then it also has the full list down there. I'm not going to read all them out and bore you guys. Let's get on with this and let's open it. So we've got a plastic seal there. And one there. So let's see if we can get that open. Oh, and it's looking like we're going to have to do a jump cut, guys, while I grab a knife. That's what we need. I should have got these before I started, but I'm a novice at unboxing videos. So let's just carefully cut that down there. I say carefully. Look, I've nicked the box. Never mind. This is staying in the collection. It's not going anywhere. Oh, this is... So there's the sleeve off, and we're greeted, oh, I like that, that's very stylish. We're greeted with a nice navy blue box there, a lovely finish on that, the C64 Mini logo on the top. Let's move the scissors so I don't damage the box more than I already have. And have we got more tape to contend with? Just having a look round here, guys. No, it folds out from the front. And there we go. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. 10 out of 10 for presentation on this. It looks really, really good. Oh, wow. I'm really impressed with that. Let's lift the plastic covers off and take a gander. So in the top box we have the C64 Mini itself. It's got a really nice weight to it, and the attention to detail is really, really good. I'm really impressed with that. The build quality, spot on. We've got on the back there, we've got the power in and the HDMI. Nothing on that side. There's the 2 USB ports, and I imagine that's the power button. Like I said, it's a non-usable keyboard. For those of you wondering whether this keyboard actually functions, it doesn't. It's just for cosmetics. But look at that, guys. That really is pretty. I'm really impressed with that. The quality is really, really good. So let's put that just to one side for a minute. And what else have we got? So what have we got underneath this box? Anything? There's all the cables in there. So we've got the HDMI lead. You can never have too many HDMI leads. We've got the USB to the standard connector, which powers most things. Lead, and then that's the lead to the joystick. Let's just take the cover off to that. We'll have a closer look at the joystick in a minute, guys. Let's see the manual. Right, let's move these boxes out of the way. And there's the manual. The C64 Mini Quick Guide. Loads of text there pointing out where all the inputs are, your usual instructions. Here's the instructions on the joystick and what the different buttons do. Pretty standard manual. A nice cover to it, nice and glossy. Put that in the box, and let's have a better look at this, guys. Now look at this, you've got your fire buttons there. Not sure what these buttons do. It might be to select the games, maybe. Oh, that's a shame. The actual joystick itself is not micro switched. It's just a contact joystick, but it feels solid and firm. So I still hold up hope for that. These buttons here, these are your like keyboard function buttons. These might have something to do with that. It's got the nice little C64 logo there as well. Underneath there. It feels genuine, the plastic, like a genuine, not a cheap plastic. Again, really impressed with that. I'm a little bit disappointed it's not micro switched, but it feels of a good build quality, so I still have hopes for this one, guys. So let's put that there. And that is the C64 Mini, and I will now set it up on the TV and I'll be right back. Right, it's all set up. It's a simple setup. It's just the HDMI cable and your power supply and the joystick plug-in, so it's really simple to set up. I didn't want to bore you with that. Let's fire up the C64 Mini. The red light is on. And here we go. And you're greeted instantly with the fantastic SID chip. I love the SID sound chip. What a great sound it produces. So iconic, and it just throws me straight back into the 80s listening to this. Right, so let's select English. So select is this one, guys. After pressing all these buttons. This one here with this section here is select. And look at that, that's actually a really nice menu. I actually like the operating system on this, it looks really good. Here's some of the games. Really responsive, works really well. Really impressed so far. The actual joystick itself, though it's not micro switch, seems to respond really well. It seems very firm, which is good. Right, let's play a game. Let's test this out. Who Dares Wins 2? Why not? Oh, so pressing the select game brings up virtual keyboard, save load game and exit game. So there we go. Yeah, the joystick nice and responsive. Hold the button down for the old grenades, and I just took a bullet straight in the back. Yeah, it moves really well. It looks really true to the original C64 here. I'm really impressed with this. I think I'm out of grenades though. And I died again. Right, let's hit that select button again so you can get up the virtual keyboard. So you can select through the keys there. Which is going to come in handy with certain C64 games. So it's signalling on the screen here that the red button here will take us out of that. No, and perhaps that's enter. Let's hit select again. Select again gets rid of that. And let's exit game. So down here, this is TV screen. So, this is good. You can go pixel perfect, European 4.3, North American 4.3, North American 4.3 CRT, European CRT, pixel perfect CRT. So let's try European 4.3 CRT. So that's now selected. Red to go back. So that's just your language thing, which we've already done. USB keyboard, legal notices, systems information and factory reset on there. I'm really impressed. I really like how you've got the little information thing there telling you about the games and a bit of the story, and it also tells you the year of release, what the genre is. Really impressed with the menu system on this. Really good. Let's have a quick go on Uridium now. This is not a game I was ever a master at. I do love my shooters. Strong scan lines on this, guys, but it looks good. And I crashed. I forgot how good this game scrolls. responsive, the controller. But I keep crashing into the same things, if you notice, and that's game over. So Uridium looks really solid as well. Let's just try one more game. Spoiled for choice. School Days, a great game. Monty on the Run, Wanted Monty Mole. Highway Encounter. Creatures was always a game that looked good on the C64. Boulder Dash. Let's try a bit of Zynap, shall we? Now if I go to select, you can get virtual keyboard, you can save the game, exit game. Sounds really good. Done that deliberately so you could hear the explosions. Not. Yep, that's Synapse. Whoa! Definitely need a bit more practice on this one, guys. And have we got time for another one quickly? Let's go down to screen again. Let's go to Pixel Perfect CRT. I want to see what this looks like. Let's try Super Cycle, why not? Right, here we go, guys. Bike colour, pink, red, yellow, blue, any colour will do. Begin race. Took a while to load that one. Ready, go. Changing through the gears, guys. Oh, and I stack it on the first corner. There's the screeching. And I crashed again. I'm determined to get the grips. It's racing games that are so tetchy, especially on these 8-bit systems. You've got to have reflexes of a ninja. Oh, and he crashed. And there we have it, guys. I'm going to go back to the main screen. just to have that wonderful SID music playing there. Lovely menu music. That's the C64 Mini. There's my first impressions. I wanted to share that with you guys. Until the next time, I'm Sega Zombie. Goodbye.